64. Okay, cue the logo. Look, you don't always have blah, 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 I don't care. Be quiet, move on, please. Cut. Why is it with FX? And why is it dark? Because I don't like it when it's blue, I said. Okay, without the FX you need to put it on blue. You're picking blue whether you like it or not. So, cue the logo. Why is the Century Fox logo all crumbled up into a oval? A little oval ball. Because it's so funny. No, it is not. It's so dumb. Hey! You can't do that. You're supposed to do it how I want it. And you're going to pick it.
The following is a paid message. For a chip so iconic, we don't need to name it. No logos, no gimmicks, just those red and blue bags with the stuff.
No ads allowed. Skip this intro. Why does it say celebrating 75 years this time? You keep on picking these logos, and I keep on having to tell you that it's not 75 years, it's 85 years. Whatever. If Disney would never have changed that thing, he wouldn't have. Then it would be 85 years, celebrating 85 years. Ooh, this is so dumb. Come on, I ain't got all day. Here's one. I got you good. How dare you? Why did you do that? You're so rude. Dang. You are so rude. Why do you want to ear rape my ears off? Because it's so funny. You think getting hurt is funny? It's not. Oh yeah? Unless you want this. Ew! Disgusting. How dare you? How dare you do that? Cue the logo now. Fine, but you're gonna pay. Ha! Why did it say 16 ya sequoia pad? Because it's so funny. 16 ya sequoia pad. That's so funny. No, it's not. It's not supposed to say 16th ya sequoia pad. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. Cut! Why is the 20th Century Fox logo? Why is the 20th Century Fox logo Christmas? And why is it snowing? You think it's Christmas? No. Then why are you picking a dumb old effect? Hey, you want it like this, don't you? You cannot see. I want it regular and without the snow. Hey, fine, I'll do it. But you're gonna pay for this. No, you're gonna pay for what you're doing because you're betraying the studio. See, look, it's waiting. Why does it say 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment? Because it's so much better. No, it's not supposed to say 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox. This is your last chance. What? No, you have to be kidding me. We've started long enough. Cut and done. Why does the logo always end up like that? What? Only one tiny flick? Okay, anyways, get out. Fine. You don't have to kick me out of the studio because if you kick me out, I'm gonna be fired. Okay. Get out! No, I'm not gonna get out until you say it correctly. I'm literally saying the words correctly. Just get out, please. There. Thank you.